Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Pionex account. If you want to log into your Pionex account, then first open your web browser on your mobile device or your computer. Into the URL box, search for www.pionex.com and search. Once you end up in the official web page of Pionex, tap the three lines at the top right hand corner and tap on sign in. In the sign in page, you can choose either phone or the email tab. If you choose phone option, you'll need to enter your mobile number associated with the Pionex account and your correct password. You can also choose the email option and enter your email address associated with your account and then your password. After typing in your correct credentials, tap on sign in and if prompted, you need to enter your verification SMS sent on your mobile device. Tap on confirm and you'll be able to log into your Pionex account. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these tutorials again. Thanks for watching.